How to disable OneDrive on your Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can disable OneDrive in your Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your file explorer, and after that you have to head over your left hand side. Either you will find OneDrive in this section at the very bottom or at the top. You have to head towards OneDrive, right click on it, and from here click on show more options, and in this menu box you will see OneDrive. You have to click on that, and after that head towards the settings. But if in case if you are not access to OneDrive setting from here, then what you can also do is you can close this. Now head over to a taskbar at the bottom right corner. There is this OneDrive icon. You can click on it. Now click on the settings icon from the top right, then again go to settings. That will also land you to the OneDrive setting. So if you have connected your account or linked your OneDrive account on this PC, there you will have an option to unlink this PC. You have to click on that button, then click on Unlink. Here it says your OneDrive files will stop syncing. A copy of these files will be left on this PC. So all you have to do is click on Unlink account, and in that way you can disable your OneDrive on your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.